I'm closing my eyes for this one. These are blind box keychains with digital cameras in them.
Can we open them, please? Very cool.
Wow. There are 7 designs.
Oh, there's the 1 in 6 chance, and then there's the secret that's got a 1 in 48. Okay, well, obviously, I want the secret. Wait, if we can't get the secret because it is a 1 in 48, what are you after?
I'm gonna have to go with the red one.
Okay, good, because I want type 3. Either we're gonna end up real happy, or we're gonna have to fight to the death over the secret, but... Oh, I'm gonna bend a nail. I got the blue one. Goodness, it's tiny.
It's like the size of my thumb.
I was gonna, yeah.
Okay, it's my turn. I'm closing my eyes for this one.
I got it!
Yes! Super cute.
Oh, I think it's the black one. Yeah, we got the black one. Wait, that's
so cute.
But we're gonna just call them all so cute.
They're so cute.
Sweet. Look at that little guy.
Okay. Whoa. Look at this little guy.
Like the little block
This one
colors.
is really, really old school style, I feel like.
Oh, this is the one on the front. Oh my goodness.
That JB yellow.
Oh my god, it really is that JB yellow, isn't it? But it's so sweet. I do say that's cuter than I thought it was going to be as well. But that means you're going to either get the secret or the one I want.
This is the last one, guys. Oh, this is yours.
It's mine. I'm still going to take it, maybe. Oh.
So this one's the grey one with kind of like a rainbow stripe.
Oh.
It comes already charged.
So we've got them all. We didn't get the secret.
Unfortunately, we are not lucky enough. I think we might need to grab
Get another box.
Let's go now.
Okay. Go buy this one. Yeah, go.